What's up, and welcome back to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Poussaint, and it was a great week. And over the weekend, we also had LS Fest. So if you were out in Las Vegas, you definitely got to enjoy great weather at LS Fest besides Friday. Let's take it to my correspondent, Bobby, down at LS Fest on Friday because they got rained out. Let's check in with Bobby.
This is Bobby Lowe reporting live from LS Fest, here for Slide Through News. It is raining. Wicked bad. Everywhere. Rain, go away. We're here in the Jeff Jones pit, trying to stay dry here at LS Fest.
But other than the rain on Friday, the rest of the weekend was super good. I attended LS Fest on Saturday and I watched the competition that went on. Matt Kaufman took first place, followed by Jeff Jones in second and Josh Stuart in third place. Congratulations. Also, congratulations to the Drift Roulette winners. It looks like TJ Hunt took first place in that event. Congratulations to Daily 3060 for taking AVS's Driver of the Month. This guy helps out when he's not driving, cleaning up the track. He's always filling in dirt drops. He's always putting in the work. So shout out to you, Daily 3060, for coming through and supporting your local track. Ian the Bright Man coming through once again and showing these good heaters at a Flavor Express event. Let's go ahead and check out these photos. I don't know if you guys seen it, but Kanzai wheels are having a 25% off sale. So make sure to go hit that link and go get yourself some deals. Villain Sportsland is hosting a drift event May 3rd to May 5th. That's going to be 6 to 10 p.m. on Friday, noon to 10 p.m. on Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Sunday. So if you're in that area, make sure to go hit that event. It's definitely a 3-day banger, and there's going to be a lot of clips to come. So make sure to stick around and support grassroots drifting. Neb Milla Media coming through with these super sick Slomo clips. Flavor Express's Summer Kickoff 5 is hosting at Apple Valley Speedway. That's going to be June 8th. So if you're looking to drive in California, this is an event that you're going to want to hit up. Flavor Express is always throwing the best events in any part of California, honestly. If you're in the need of getting your tires mounted out in Las Vegas, make sure to hit up It's Paulo. This fool just did a 24x14 and they came out great. So if you're looking to get your tires stretched or anything like that, from a drift car to a truck to a SUV, he does it all. So make sure to hit up It's Paulo. If you're looking to get a cool t-shirt, make sure to hit up Garage Nights Las Vegas. Make drift cars great again, 2024. That should be the slogan everybody wants to support. Next weekend, make sure to check out Flavor Express May 4th at the Terra Crew and Speed Metal event. You ever see two 350Zs drifting at a scrapyard full of Nissans? Well, if you haven't, now you have. Also, next weekend, May 4th, Beast Coast 3K Drift Shootout is going down. So make sure to hit that event up if you're looking to win some cash. You and your crew should compete, so make sure to go join them and Rad Dan out at that event. This is the event track map for Drift Nirvana. It looks like they're doing 3 courses that event for May 12th. So if you're out in that area, make sure to go hit up this event, because when there's 3 courses going on, that's when you learn the best driving. So go hit up Drift Nirvana. There's so many drift events going on May 4th. Make sure to go check out Drift Airbird AZ to go hit up their local event May 4th. That's a drift and drag event. So if you're in Arizona, make sure to go support local drifting. Drift for Epilepsy is coming out with new merch. The new merch right here on the TV looks super good, so make sure to go support for a great cause. Catch My Drift just posted the second round layout for the Sofa King series, so make sure to check out this layout here and make sure to study up so you can do well in your next event. Cat Daddy Tuning, Rudy Hansen and the team coming through with Ignition Speed with the first episode of Spooling Up coming out in May. So make sure to stay tuned for that, because my guys definitely know how to entertain and put on a good show. So stay tuned for Spooling Up. Driven Luck Circuit is also hosting an event May 4th and May 5th. So may the 4th be with you, and go support local driving. So no matter where you're at in the US, there's definitely an event close to you. Alright guys, a lot of things happen, so thanks again for sliding through to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Poussaint. We'll see you next week.